Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosia's tasty recipe. I hope you are all doing well. So for today I will be sharing with you a very simple and delicious recipe. Since tomorrow is Valentine's Day, I think you can make this at home and then share with your loved ones and family. So stay tuned and let's get started. So in a mixing bowl, I'm going to cream 250 grams cream cheese, 250 ml all-purpose cream, half cup condensed milk, and then 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. What I'm using is vanilla clear. You can use any vanilla of your choice. Once everything goes in, go ahead and then cream until it's smooth and fluffy. What I did with the all-purpose cream is I chilled it overnight. That is why you could see that it's thick. You can do the same if you want the mixture very thick. Okay, so once you're done, go ahead and then stir with your spatula for a few seconds and then set it aside. So the next thing I'll be doing is to mix the graham. So in a bowl I added 200 grams of crushed graham and then 1/4 cup of melted butter. You can use margarine, which is fine. Once everything goes in, go ahead and then mix everything together. If you don't have graham, you can use digestive biscuits. That's okay. The next step is to cut my fruit. So I'm using strawberries. You can use any fruits of your choice. It will still give you a great taste, okay? So go ahead and then cut it into smaller cubes. So once I'm done cutting the fruit, the next thing is to assemble. So what I did was I added the graham first and then you press with a spoon downward and then go ahead and add your cream cheese filling. I place the cream cheese in a piping bag because it makes it easy to go inside the cup, and then top up with your chopped strawberries. Repeat the same step until the entire cup is full. You can also use the wine glass if that's what you want, a short tumbler if that's what you want. Anything will make this very unique and nice. All right, this dessert is very simple and then less expensive. So since most of the restaurant will be booked tomorrow, you can just stay at home, just make this for you and your sweetheart and then enjoy. Whilst you watch your movie or you tell a story, you will dig into your dessert. Okay, look at how beautiful it looks. So repeat the same step until all the mixture or all the ingredients that you prep is done. Okay, so that's the beautiful outcome of this strawberry cheesecake dessert. This is a no bake and then easy to make. Okay, so you can chill it for 1 hour and enjoy, or you can eat it right away anyhow you want it. It tastes delicious and then it's not so sweet. All right, thank you very much for watching this recipe. Please, if you do like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. Stay tuned for more and amazing recipes. Wishing you all happy Valentine's Day in advance. Bye.